I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the platform and getting access to the game files. This matters because file paths differ. Once you know Android, iOS, PC, or emulator, open a file manager or emulator tool and navigate to the Wrestling Empire save directory. Make a backup copy immediately. This prevents data loss. If you have a cloud option, upload the copy. Doing this first avoids irreversible mistakes when you overwrite or import new save data. Now you import or edit the save. Replace the target file with your prepared save, making sure names and extensions match exactly. If you must edit ID or flags, use a reliable hex or text editor and change only the values you understand. One wrong byte can corrupt the file. Once replaced, set correct permissions on Android or emulator and restore timestamps if needed. These careful edits help the game recognize the save as valid. So start conservatively. Finish by launching Wrestling Empire and verifying your save loads and reflects the expected progress. Play a short match to confirm stability. If the save fails to load, immediately restore the backup file and recheck the directory, file name, owner, and permissions. Mismatched game version or corruption are frequent causes. Make incremental changes and test again. This isolates the problem. If nothing works, revert to the original save and seek a compatible file or version match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.